Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. This video is related to Accenture complete updates. Complete means the workday mail, offer letter update and all the update that is shared by company to candidates. This video is for phase 1 and phase 2 candidate. First of all, like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds to like the video and share this video as much as you can, because I am sharing all the latest genuine updates with all of you. And I already shared the step by step registration process that is related to document verification. So the link is present in the description. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can see on my screen that bro, thank you so much for all the help and guidance from the application stage till the offer letter. Your videos and updates help me a lot in every step. I am really grateful for your support. I will definitely share any further update. Hello everyone, I would like to share my journey. Course BTech lateral entry 25, branch IT, interview date 29 December, phase 1. I applied from Accenture off campus and finally received my offer letter. The update and guidance from this group and Lokesh bro video helped me lot during the whole process. Thank you so much for the support. I hope this motivates other who are waiting. Don't lose hope and keep trying. All the best to everyone. On the 3 March 2026, yesterday, candidates got the offer letter from the company itself, and this is the phase 1 candidate. Okay, so what is the process? The process is like this. First of all, you receive the congratulation mail. Okay, and then you received the workday mail. After workday mail you will receive the BGV, that is a document verification, and after that offer letter are there. Sometimes the process is like candidate receive the workday mail first, BGV mail, then congrats mail. There is no problem in the sequence that कौन सा mail पहले आ रहा है. The most important, the workday mail, BGV mail and congrats mail is important. What is your phase? Phase 1, 29 December. Yesterday I got offer letter off campus. Congratulations on job offer from the Accenture. So now the offer letter is released. Previously it is released from on. Previously it was released for on campus and on many of the, like you can see YouTube, Telegram. We see that off campus offer letter is announced. Not that time. Now the offer letter is announced. So great news, you asked it. We will love to you join us at Accenture. We know what is a big step. So if there is still need to know, please contact us anytime. There are incredibly exciting time at Accenture. So they mentioned this is the offer letter and this is related to phase 1 candidates. Okay, no need to worry about that. In the form of phases means different dates you will receive the updates from company. You are able to see this is annexure 1, compensation and benefit. Total cash compensation include element, annual compensation and annual earning. So like here they mention 4.4 LPA is the basically package. It's like a 4.4 LPA or 4.5 LPA most probably. Here they mention some notional benefits, reimbursement, employee share purchase plan, like this. And this type of offer letter is released. And if you are from phase 1, 29 December or any of the dates like after that, so if you receive the offer letter, let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss about our second update that is related to phase 2. Okay, now like yesterday, from yesterday our family members, online learning family members are getting the mail that is related to the congrats mail. Okay, congratulations, you are a step closer to be part of Accenture family. Dear candidate, congratulations. This is the congrats mail that candidates are now receiving. And now there are two type of mail that candidates are receiving. So you do not have to confuse in that. I will tell you each and everything. First of all, candidate receive this type of mail. It's great that you are interested in Accenture. Thank you for applying for the role of CH80 custom. We will get start carefully reviewing your application and keep you updated. Take a moment to create your Workday home account. Now the one thing that if you received this type of mail that you have to create the Workday account, means you not created any of account on the Workday portal, and now you have to create the Workday profile. After creating this Workday profile, they will share you the update that is related to BGV document verification process. Okay, got it. Now the second condition is arise. What is the second condition? The second condition is candidates are receiving thank you for applying. We will get started. Update, you can log in to candidate homepage. Here you can track the status of your application, see any action you need to take and withdraw your application if your situation changes. So most probably already your Workday account is created on the portal. That's why they are directly saying to you, you have to log in to the portal. In the login, where you will see the active application. Okay, there is inactive application and active application. You do not have to see at inactive application. Just you have to see the active application, where the status will be shown on the green, green status, green color status will be shown as a interview completed. Okay, your interview is completed. Now the next mail is related to BGV, that is a document verification process. So you do not need to confuse in that. First mail is either if the Workday profile is not there, so you have to create the Workday account. If already Workday account is created, you have to just log in to the portal. Here you can track the status of your application. Take a moment to create your Workday account. Now the next thing is related. Many of the candidates, they are from phase 1, phase 2, they receive the congrats mail, but still they not receive any kind of update from the Accenture. So I suggest you to please wait. The process is in the form of phases means different dates are there. So I suggest you to please wait for the some time. I already said I only believe on the official method. Still I am not believing on such of the inspect method, status code and rest of the thing, because that is just a backend part, that is not a front end part, or that is not a official like things. Okay, official thing is this, actual confirmation is this. Okay, if you receive this mail, it's very good. If the status, whatever the status is showing, I have no worries, I have no problem with that. Just I want official mail. Okay, if you receive the official mail, it's a great, because we want official mail, so we can 100% sure that yes, we are selected and we have to move forward to the process. Soon I will come up with the video as soon as possible, that what next after offer letter. No need to worry about that. We will meet in the next video. Subscribe to our channel for receiving the updates. Thanks for watching the video.